The nut off. The reason I put the nuts in, guys, is to hold this bottom black plate in, which is your fresh air hole for combustion air. And that's kind of why I left things the way they are in order to get this done. So we'll see if I can unscrew this and drop this corner. Should be able to. There we go. Voila. And then if I pull that out of the way, there we go. So, now one thing I don't understand is this hole does not match the plate. It's way off. Actually, all the holes are off from the feet. Now that's something to be concerned about. So the feet, all these holes that were pre-drilled in the bottom are off because they don't line up with the feet. Unless I need to shimmy myself over, which is possible because it looks fairly center though. I may, now there's the screws out here are straight blade, so I can back them out and adjust, but I can't go that far unless I have, do I have a lot of give going this way? Okay, so maybe if I do give it a little twist it'll work, but that back corner still doesn't seem to line up. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get a screw in back there, maybe. No, it's because I gotta twist the bottom too much to get that to go. It looks like I can maybe get this one in. So if I back him out, I can maybe get one in. And then go from there. Okay, what's going on here? Oh. What happened there? Okay. That was weird. The whole bottom plate moved for some reason. So that fresh air plate actually moved when I did that. Okay, so let's see if I can get this one inside the hole of the leg. Yep, I got him in. So if I put the nut down, and then if I use that screwdriver and tighten it up, put my finger on the nut, hurts the finger after a while, but that is now secured. This leg is secured. I can back this one out. I'm guessing even if I get two in without having to do the mambo twister, we should be good. Just gotta get this nut out from under. Come on. Need a little straight blade for that. Okay, there we go. So, now if I run this, oops, make sure this lines up. Interesting. So I got one in. The rest kind of annoying. I wonder if I turn the legs around though. If that's actually a thing. Shouldn't be though, because that's the way it is. Okay, how about that? Maybe I can get this one in. It's way over here, like the holes are off on this thing. Unless there's a way to adjust the... Okay, it looks like it's possible to move the entire thing this way to a degree, but the bottom bracket is going to be hitting the other bracket, and same on this side. So I wonder if I could tilt this thing up and then move it over a tad. I'm going to have to do that, which is going to be fun, especially since I just tightened this one in. And if I take this one out, the whole plate's going to fall down. Oh boy. They should put a... I'm just throwing this out there, guys, for the manufacturer. They should put something, a bolt, somewhere in the front or in the back for the fresh air thing that just holds the fresh air thing, so you can work on the legs and put those bolts in. Just saying, just throwing it out there. Because once I undo this, this whole entire black piece will fall to the ground, which is the fresh air, like so, when I'm catching it. I got the washer, thankfully. And where's the bolt? There it is. Don't want to lose that. So I got that. Yeah. So I'm going to try to lift the stove up and move it in place. But that's kind of nasty to get it just perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is unzoom the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I have to basically slide, I'm going to tilt this thing back, and then I got to tilt it far enough so the brackets below can move this away. Or do I have to just pick it up and move it over? Probably. That'll be fun.